Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Dakabubu Ahmad Ekatong bagi samla kan thei kin tip sapang ka hok bat ki kamram hapo ki imlang salang. Ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaiñtia Hills haka arpau trek uyayong arja apulai. Kala Pynlong daga Jingïathir nya Halor ka pang My Rights and Me as a leader, her world, her voice. Yakani ka Jingïathir nya la Pynlong Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai. Haka Jingïalam ka balapnya daga Assistant Organizing Commissioner Guides ka Kong Dolly Lamare. Haka Jingdon lang jong State Secretary Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides State Headquarter Shillong uba W Lingdo ubala longkum kongsan ka Vice Principal jong Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai ka Kong Lami Saka Litan kabala longkum ka sembut kongsan haringkat ke Jingïathir bentalang jong ki Guides Captain ringkat ki Kena Guides bat ki Rangers bakantup na Saint Mary Mazelero Higher Secondary School Jowai na Saint Right Secondary School Jowai na Little Angel School Musalingat na Jingshai Mingi Adventist School Mi Mintdu naga Achiever Secondary School Umulong, naga Lissy Pearls School Mukhla, ban naga Thomas Jones Synod College.
Harwal Harvoice, Employability, Contain Equity, go one right, Ginu, the Nego Europe, Yiginu Binugi Guides, the Neginu Binugi can tie whoever the community, he was what again, go club. Chapangatuga, concern go EM Gilani Chapangatu issue, go what? Go border, Then next we have engagement. Tamad you would engagement? What is engagement? Empowerment. What is that word? Are you empowered? Yes. All of us, we are empowered in one way or the others. Why? Because we have rights. Okay, so here, this program, Her World, Her Voice, empower every girl. Okay, we have the power. But the problem is when we have power, we don't know our power because we don't know our rights. And this seminar will help us to know that we are empowered, having our right with us. Building leadership skills. Who is a leader here? Anyone? Okay, remember, every one of us is a leader in one way or the others. Right? At home, you are a leader to your sibling. Right? To your younger sister and brother. So you know what role are you playing as a leader. Right? So here, we will help you to build your leadership skills. Then, making an individual capable to understand and create and implement their own advocacy plan. Okay, so here it also enables you to make your own plan. Once you are a good leader, you will be able to plan. And after planning, you will execute your plan. Okay, and the next is, you will also have the guts, okay, the power, the guts to fight against the issue that you are facing in your community. Okay, remember, leadership will not start from big things. Yeah. Manda ong human leader dong, ong yang man principal ni man MLA yang man leader. Leaders start from small thing. Okay, sedang ni lu kian, duduk ni yung, kadu skor.